All right, it's time for the Blue Blizzard Champion Pig giveaway. It's now 12:35. Start this up with a comment. All right, 12:35. Posted screenshot of all the payments that I got emails for. Didn't get an email for Scott's, so we'll go in here and see his payment. Paid me twice. He's in 2 raffles, so payment's good. All right, so here's random.org. I will refresh it. Check out the certificate. And right 1 through 12, here's the list. I'll just refresh this again since we left it. Certificate still good. Alright, and 1 through 12. Winner is number 4. Number 4 is Scott Hoffman. And it is now 12:36. Match it up. We'll also match it with official time.